Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually Chennel, and I know it's been a minute since I have filmed a makeup tutorial, so I wanted to get one up for you guys featuring a brand called Beauty and a bunch of other brands that I love right now. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, this nice minimalist beauty look, please keep watching the rest of this video. Since I have not filmed a makeup tutorial in so long, I wanted to do one including their products. So Beauty can be found at Sephora online. I have their entire collection in front of me. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. This is the brand. I have their brow pomade. I have a clean lash mascara, like a lightening mascara, and then we also have their brush, which is actually really pretty. I have some tinted lip oil in 2 different colors that I thought were really pretty, and then I have their complexion stick. So I got it in this color because I like to use a lighter concealer under the eye, so I will be applying this. And then I also got this blush balm. So we're gonna use all of these products in this video. I already put on my foundation, which you guys know I love my Fenty foundation. It's my tried and true, so I will always be using Fenty. I'm gonna just spray my face real quick with this Garnier Skin Active face spray. It's already summer, so of course I have like a dewy look already, but we're gonna use all of these products. I already did my brows, but I will sort of fill them in a little bit, make them a little darker with their volumizing pomade. So yeah, so this is their volumizing brow pomade. My brows are already like done, but I like to have the hair sort of brushed up, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just do the front here. And then, see, have the rest. Okay, next I want to use this cheek pomade. Just thought this was a really pretty color. Can you guys see how that color, look at that color, you guys. Color is insane. I'm just gonna go like this and place it on the apples of my cheeks, just to give my face a little color. And I really, really like this. I think it's such a pretty color. For contouring, I'm gonna actually use the Prime Beauty bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. So again, I'm just creating like, oh, look at it, it's taking the edges down, hold on. This is such an awkward position I'm in right now that I'm sitting, so don't mind me if I seem like I'm being a little awkward. For my eyes, I actually think I'm gonna use, what is this? First of all, this blending brush is so pretty. Let's look at it. Look how pretty this is. And I love that it's firm, so I'm just gonna take some of that and sort of just really blend these areas together. So it's not so stark, you know what I mean? This is a mascara, but I will wait to use this. I'm gonna use the mascara after I apply my lashes. Okay, so the lash situation I'm excited about. I actually tried this already, but I wanted to show you guys because I used it for the first time yesterday and I'm just crazy about it. So let me show you guys what I'm using. Okay, so the lashes that I use, I will link them below. I don't actually know the name of them. They're really full, but that's not what I wanted to show you guys. I've been using the Lash Glue Liquid Liner by Kiss, and I am obsessed with it, you guys. This stuff works, and it works quickly, so you have to apply your lashes right after you put your liner on. I would let it sit for like 2 to 3 seconds and then apply your lashes. This works so well that if it dries, it dries like a glue. And then you use it the same way you would use eyeliner. So they said use this as a base, create your winged liner or whatever liner you want to use, place the lash on top. The lash will stick to the glue, and then you go over it with your liquid liner. I do it after the glue has set with the lashes, but when I tell you this works, guys, it works. So let me just show you guys, because I'm obsessed with this. So my hair, of course, is in the way. So I just put this on. Oh wait, before we do that, what am I saying? Let's put on our shadow. I'm like literally sitting here, and I do have primer on my eyes. I already did that before I turned the camera on. So I'm just gonna put some natural shadow on here. And I'm using a old like bronzer because I wanted to create a natural look. I don't even know who this is by. It's so old, the name is not even on it. But I love this for just doing a naked eye look when it looks like I'm not wearing any shadow, but I'm wearing shadow, if that makes sense. So this is one of the little bronzers that I use. I don't even remember who this is by. I honestly think it was like a drugstore bronzer, but it's just so good. And it really gives me that natural look, you know? All right, now we could jump into the liner. My bad, y'all. I forgot I didn't put anything on my eyes. What am I doing? Okay, so let's do the liner. And one thing I do like about this liner is that it goes on so smooth and easy. Hold on, there's a piece of hair stuck to it. So I don't do a wing with this. I literally just take it to where the lash would go. And my advice with this liner is to try not to get it on your natural lash because it is glue, so it will make your lashes stick together, which I didn't like. Don't worry about it being perfect. You're literally putting lashes on, so that's all you really need it for. You can perfect your liner later. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply the lash because it sticks right away. You really have to be quick about this because it sticks immediately. It's really crazy. I was just like, wow. And I actually learned this from Carly Bible. I was watching one of her videos, or her most recent, I think, like makeup video, and she was talking about this liner, and I was just like, what? I saw this in the beauty supply store, and I just was reluctant to buy it because I'm like, no way that actually works. But guys, it works. And it works well. So while I let the lashes sit, I'm going to just let them dry a little bit, and then I'll go over it with regular liquid liner. But in the meantime, I'm gonna work on my lips. So I have some tinted lip stuff here, lip oil. These are amazing, by the way. Since we're doing a natural look, I'm gonna go with this one. This one's called All Natural Tinted Lip Oil. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at this color, first of all. I'm obsessed. Can you guys see that? So Carly Bible has the Il Makiage lip liners. I'm gonna use, well, Luna's gone, so we're not using that. But for a natural lip, I'm actually gonna use the, what is this one? This is her waterproof lip liner, but what is the name of it? Oh, AI. Okay, so I'm gonna be using AI on my lips, and it looks like nothing, but I'm doing that on purpose. I'm just gonna fill in my lip with it because it's very neutral. And I'm just doing this to fill in that darker color. You know how my lips are a little darker? So to mute them out, I'm going to just use AI on my lips. Now, AI is sort of very close to my skin tone, so it doesn't really look like anything right now, but it's fine. I want to do a natural lip. My eyes are the focus because they're such dramatic lashes. So we're gonna do the liquid lip oil over it. Do you see how it has a nice glow to it? I'm thinking I want to put a little more of this cheek pomade on from Merit Beauty. Just a little. Yeah, just a little more. And then we'll take the little blending brush. We'll put it there. Okay, next, what did I say we were gonna do? We're gonna go over this liner with regular liquid liner now and just create like a nice winged effect on the eyes. So I am, see, just going over it. And then last but not least, I'm just gonna take this mascara and blend my lashes in with the false lashes. I actually like that this is like such a long stem here. It's important, you guys, to blend your own lashes in. Okay, so we just blended those in. So everything is set. We did our liner, our lips are done, face is done. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Fenty Beauty highlighter. I like to put it on my finger, and I'm just gonna dab it on my nose a little bit and then take it up the bridge of my nose like this. See? Don't worry, I'm gonna blend that out, but we just kind of skip a little area right here and then we blend it out. And it just creates a nice little highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over it with this spray. This is, again, the Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. It's rose water. I actually really like this. It has no parabens, dyes, or silicones. Put it on my face. Loving all of the Merit Beauty products. This is another one of their liquid lip oils. This is what it looks like on my hand. It's a pretty color. I love the entire Merit Beauty line. Every product is useful and good. My favorite out of all of them would be this cheek balm. I just really love this color. And then their tinted lip oils. This one is my favorite. So yeah, I actually really like the concealer as well. It's not creasing from what I'm seeing, so that's good. We'll see how it ends up at the end of the day. You guys can check my Instagram. I'll make a post about it. I'll leave my Instagram down below, but so far so good. I will show you guys the final look as soon as I'm done my hair. All right guys, so this is the final look. Super simple, nice, minimalist, but still pretty, you know, like still big lashes, but keeping it simple in a way, if that makes sense. I love the nude lip concept. So pretty. I'm obsessed. I love everything about it. We just did simple, like loose wave hair. This is a wig. I'll link it below, but I'm literally loving this entire look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications to be updated on when I upload videos. I upload videos 2 to 3 times a week. I'm gonna try and get more of this beauty content up for you guys. I've been focusing a lot on lifestyle content, vlogging, things like that, but I know you guys love my old tried and true hair reviews and makeup tutorials. So if you want to see more of that, please communicate that to me. Let me know. Comment in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.